Okay, we have here a 2006 Kawasaki Vulcan Nomad. Keys are lost. One key should fit everything. Ignition, gas cap, and this thing has a lot of saddlebags, custom saddlebags. There'll be the key back there. We'll read it with the AccuReader in the ignition. So we're going to use the AccuReader KW15. Get it from the side. There's 6 cuts, but as you saw, the code machine wants it as a 7.
It actually is 7 cuts.
Oh, it's 7 cuts, sorry.
Yeah,
I take that back, it's a 7 cut.
There you go. That's one of your cuts right there. That'll be a 2. Yep, that's a 2. You got, see, you got your
You're right
yes,
on
no,
top there, yeah.
and you're right on 2. So that's the first cut, actually, Terry.
Is it 2?
Yeah.
Yes, no.
I got all the other ones.
Yeah.
Already. This is going to be position 3. That's 4, right?
Yeah. That sounds pretty basic. Yes, no, move it in bit by bit.
Yeah, you can't screw it up.
Put the wafer release. Go into your next cut.
Which I know is a 2. 2?
Yeah. Yes, no.
And I go to your first cut.
We'll release it again. Release the wafer. Trap it. There we go.
I don't know, that's another 2.
And you just get yes, no on the top there with the line.
And it's there.
Pretty basic.
It's that easy. Yeah, and see, you go to Vulcan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, gives us a 6 cut. Perfect. It's actually a 7 cut. So we'll go to the key blanks. That doesn't make any sense. It's a 7 cut key, and it's showing everything as a 6 cut. So we'll have a look here. KW15 6 7 cut. Alright, so let's see, bidding. Two, 2, 4, 4, 3, 1, 3. So that's always the headache with bikes, is even though, watch yourself, everything calls for it to be a 7 cut, but when you pull it up, it tries to tell you it's a 6 cut. I just go to the key blank and find a 7 cut. I know it's a Kawasaki, so I just go to Kawasaki and then